Good. Mission accomplished. I really would like to investigate where they lead to. Wait, I'll try to lift one. Wait. Shall we go down and check? This is why I always advise you to watch our vlogs till the very end, guys, because impossible is nothing. Hello guys, we welcome you back for another adventure. This time we're going to search for the Mitħna tal-Aroka. So, we're in, guys, and we're starting the exploration. As you can see, the entrance is a man-made tunnel. It's dug because you can see the marks of the tools up there. So we're going further in and see what we find for you. As you all know as well, before going exploring some places in Malta, I always try to do some research, and on this mill I didn't find any information at all other than that it is closed for the general public, so I'm going to try to explore it for you guys. The first thing I noticed as soon as I came in this underground mill or something is this hole. Look, you see? It goes up. Then we'll try to look at it from above as well. From what they told me, it seems that in the ancient days when this mill was still in function, operative, they used to do some kind of sign from here, either smoke or some sound, I don't know exactly. And the farmers around would hear this noise or this indication or something, come from their fields with their wheat, with their carriages full of wheat and horses, throw their wheat from here down, here, and it comes in this area for the manufacturers sort of to turn it from wheat to flour. Let's start exploring. Coming in, there are two paths, guys. One to the left and one to the right, here. We're going to explore the one on the right first. As usual, our Maltese graffiti, Ġahan Malti, and Joran Daqsu Mawx. And we found this one, guys, first. I don't know exactly. It's made of bricks or something, or concrete bricks. And there are these slabs of wood attached to it. Maybe they used to rest something. I don't know, not sure. I will not be doing a lot of talking, guys. This vlog, I will let what we're finding speak out for itself, because I don't know more than that, because I don't know much information about this one. So I'll let you wonder, and those of you who have some information about this place, or used to work here, or I don't know what, kindly leave comments attached to this vlog so that we will learn from each other, okay? Guys, I'm taking it low because I noticed a bat, and from what I learned from the previous vlog, from the Arrarek one, they told me that they will be hibernating at this time, so I will be talking slowly, not to... Let me show you, because they will be hibernating as I told you. So, I will not be shouting a lot, not to disturb their sleep. From the little mechanical background, guys, I'm seeing that this machine behind me, as you can see, this is a a 2-piston machine, engine. The pistons are still visible, they are bigger. It used to get fuel from down there. There was kind of a supply sort of going down here, all the way. Generating combustion in there and rotating this thing. There was this radiator as well, cooling. The fan is still, my god, it's still operational, with some pulleys going down there. There used to be a belt. Of course, it's deteriorated now. Nothing left of it. But it's really nice, eh? For us mechanical lovers, it's really nice. So now, let's explore the wing on the left, guys, as I promised you. Look. It looks amazing, eh? My god. Goes up and up. Shall we go up there and investigate? Or not? We'll go through that ladder. Let me show you. This is really awesome. It's still nearly intact, this one. What I'm thinking of is, the first thing is that these were used, in my opinion, to fill up the sacks, maybe the sacks with finished flour, because there are tunnels there. Let me show you. Ground flour used to drop in from there, and there's these two. I don't want to move them a lot because otherwise they will come in hand because they are rusty. These shutters, sort of. Then you stop the flow of flour, put it in the sack, and you move on out of here. So let's go up and see how it used to work, or we try to figure out how it used to work. Let's go. Let's start going up. We have to be careful because of the stairs here. You see, one is missing here. So, wow, this is amazing. It's still nearly intact here, with the wooden pieces still in place. The machinery here. Look up there, look. As you can see, there are wooden hollow parts. From what I'm imagining, flour used to go down and travel all along that one and go down into the sacks. Machinery here, more machinery. Let's go up there. We're going up, guys. Ooh. It's creepy here. Let's see what we find. Look. How nice it is. Let me show you. Here it's dangerous to go. My god, look at all this. Amazing, guys. Wow. Oh my god. Look. Let's see what's here. We have to be careful. So flour used to come in from there, I think, as well. It goes into the hopper, goes here. I don't know why, don't know how. Let me show you. Somewhere there. Maybe this is the grinding part. I don't know. I have to be careful, huh? Look. Oh, wow. This is blocked now. Someone threw some stones in it. But this is amazing. What's this? It's a tunnel. Let's see where this tunnel goes. Wait. goes down there. Ooh. We might fall here. Let's see this. Come. Oh, let's close it. Oh, another hole there. Look, another inlet. Thinking about it twice, guys, I think it could have been also sort of aeration, because I imagine a lot of tiny particles of flour would be here, and maybe this was some sort of extraction to clear the air here and sort of vacuum. It generates vacuum, and the tiny particles, which maybe were even dangerous for workers here working all the day, they might have done these holes as an extractor, but who knows? Those of you who know more history about this, guys, can tell us. Look, oh, I'm showing you up there. It goes up. I'm trying to guess. I don't know exactly. I didn't find any information, as I told you, about this one, so I'm trying to work it out for you. I can see some spider here as well. Look, there's a spider there, and some wood lice as well here. But other than that, of course, pieces of stone here. Let's see more of this old mill. So, that's all for today, guys. Hope you like this one from Metnata La Roca. I know it's not that much accessible, but I tried to bring the best of it to you. We are trying to search for abandoned places or places we have never been, or maybe even no one else has gone through yet. Hope you are enjoying our vlogs. I know that you are, because from the feedback, I really love reading your feedback and texting back to you. Thanks to all the followers from Malta, Australia, UK, Canada, all over the world. I'm really satisfied with your feedback. Keep on subscribing, share our vlogs, so that we keep on enlarging our YouTube channel. You stay safe, wear your masks, follow the health authorities' guidelines. We will be out of this pandemic very soon. And let's continue exploring our little Malta and share it to the whole world. Until next time, Saħħa Slim! We came out to check those holes, aeration holes, or whatever they are. To check where they are and how they look. I'm searching. Okay, we found one. Look, this is how it looks from outside, and this is the hole we were in. It goes down. Look. Down to where we were. Good. Mission accomplished. Since I'm up here, guys, I saw these hatches here. I don't know where they go. I really would like to investigate where they lead to. Wait, I'll try to lift one. Wait. Let's check where they go. We're going down to see where they take us. Come on. Wow. Let's turn on the lights. Let me show you. We're down here as well. Where does this go? Ooh. Shall we go down and check? Let's go. My God. It's not that safe, huh? I'm a bit scared because look, it's a bit shaky. We go down. Where does this lead to? Whoa. We are down. We came down from there, as you can see. Let's check. What's here? It's like another passage. Ooh. What's this? Hello? Wow. We're going to miss this, guys. Dead? Yeah. Stairs. This one goes down even more. What's there? Don't know. Okay, and we come out. Ooh. Another burnt room, and we're out. Yep. This is why I always advise you to watch our vlogs till the very end, guys, because you'll never know what's at the end of it all. You see, we found that secret passage sort of going up here. Now we're going to close the hatch again for safety, because if people are walking around or roaming around, I don't want them to fall because of me. So let's close the hatch again. Now it's really over. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.